Good afternoon, gang. This is Tom here. This is a engine I've had for a while, and it has a Loksound 5 decoder in it, and you can hear the engine making noise, and the only way to get to do it is hitting the F8 key. And on my soundtrack decoders, there's a CV setting to turn that on and off in those engines. But when I turn on my NCE system, those engines fire up and sit there idle until they get moving. But the Loksound ones, I have to hit the 8 key on the power cab to get them to turn on the engine, and I don't want to have to remember to do that. So there's got to be a CV setting in the Loksound, which I can't find, that auto starts the engine. Now, I did find some settings on the web, but they were, wanting to know the exact model number of the decoder. This is a Loksound 5. So anybody that has any Loksound decoder experience and any ideas on what I can do and CVs, like I tried CV31, CV32, and CV419, but nothing changed. So what I'm trying to do is actually get this thing to turn on when I turn the power on. Now I'll show you. I'll move it over a little bit. Let's go in reverse. And the other thing, to get this moving, I got to get it up to like speed step 13. I want that thing to move on speed step 1. So if anybody knows how to get that setting set up, that would be appreciated too. But I'm going to turn off the NCE Power, and you'll hear it stop. Okay. Now I'm going to turn the power back on. And nothing. Now I'm going to hit forward and hit the headlight, and the headlight came on, right? And now on the power cab I'm going to hit the number 8 key, have to hit the key. That's what's hard working with one hand. Now you can hear the engine running, and he'll stay running until I hit the 8 key again. And the other feature too with the Loksound 4s and above is a feature called drive hold, which is part of the throttle feature. And that doesn't seem to work either. And I have 2 other engines that have Loksound 5s in them. So once I figure this one out, then I'll set the settings on those too. So, so I'm just looking for how to auto start the engine without having to hit a function key. And also, I shouldn't have to go up to speed step 13 or so. Let's see, it's in forward now, so I'm going to turn the speed step up. There's speed step 1, not moving. 2, still not moving. Oh, there it goes, a little bit. So it's just a delay. So maybe there's a delay setting that I gotta check. But anybody have any ideas, I'd appreciate it. And we'll see you all in the next video. This is Tom, and everybody take care.